Hi Ceramics 2, it's Mrs. Crystallite back in action for week 2, August 31st through September 3rd of the hybrid model, or maybe you're completely online. Every week you'll start out by watching the introductory video no matter what situation you're in, just to get a feel for the week. I wanted to start out this week by going over the Who's in the Art Room results that the survey you guys all took last year. About half of you, as you can see, consider yourselves to be artists. A lot of you are excited to be in this class, which is great. My friends think art is cool. About half of you. I have been to an art museum or gallery. Not many of you. You see this 20%. So join art club and we can remedy that situation. The type of art I like isn't really done in school. Only a quarter of you said that, so that's good. That means we're doing something right here. Let's see, art should be about making whatever you want. About half of you said that, and I always try to give you the opportunity to express yourself and guide you as far as technique and develop your conceptual, your artistic, and your creative skills. I follow artists on Instagram. Only about a third of you do. If you can just search ceramic artists, or you can follow people from Japan, all over the world. There's amazing artists out there who post all the time. I watch videos to learn art techniques. Not many, about a quarter of you do that. So there is a whole wide world out there. And I think the #1 search on YouTube, believe it or not, is how to draw, things like that. So people want to learn this. There's so many resources out there. That's the hardest part of my job, is trying to funnel them down and see what's best for you guys. Okay, ceramics 2. Like I said, there are going to be 2 assignments this week. They're both quizzes. One is going to be a review quiz, and one is going to be a what is ceramics quiz. I am going to go to your class schedule. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, there's your stream for your Google Classroom. Remember, you go to classwork. Okay, you're watching this video, so you're in the right place. There is a material, What Will I Learn in Ceramics? Tons of great vocabulary there, and you will need some of it for your review quiz. Okay, when you're doing your review quiz, there are also questions about the drying stages of clay, so please watch this very fun short video from John the Potter. He has a fantastic YouTube channel, so informative for ceramic students, so we'll watch that. I have a video here that I gave you to describe all of the items in your emergency clay kit. And then I said there's just these 2 quizzes, okay? Just as a review, when you're taking your review quiz, drying stages of clay, some terminology. There's going to be questions about how you attach pieces of clay together. The 3 S's, you have to think about what those are. What do you do to attach 2 damp, leather hard pieces together? What's the first thing you have to do? You have to take that whisker tool and do what? Okay, you have to take what kind of material that acts as super glue for that clay. And then you have to, let's say you have a handle, it's a heavy handle and you don't want it to sag. So what do you have to do under that handle? I'm not giving you the answers. In the review quiz, here's a clue. The number of blank spaces is the same as the number of letters in the right answer. Okay, and we'll see how you do. It's only 10 points. It's not going to make or break your grade, but it gives me a good gauge as to what you remember, so what we have to review this year, okay? There are going to be questions about the equipment, so think about the ceramics room. We'll take a tour this week if you're in school. We'll talk about the ovens that we use. What are they called? What is the machine called that recycles the clay? All right, things like that. I need to know that you know the right words for those. That's pretty much it. Have a wonderful week. Please, as always, let me know if there's anything I can do for you at all. And I'll see you next time I see you. Okay, thanks.